Did you understand that the typical female is 55 inch, and the majority of us choose men who are 8 inches taller than us? That indicates guys have to be at least 61 inch to stand a battling possibility. I utilize to be the woman who would not provide short people an opportunity. Although I'm 58 inch, I'm more than happy if they were simply a couple inches taller than me. If I passed a small woman holding hands with a man who looked like he could be in the NBA, I'd be fuming. Find somebody your own damn size, and leave the tall guys for us high females. It wasn't up until years later on that I recognized how unjust of me that was, and how lots of fantastic men I had possibly missed out on because of my heightism. There's no difference. So this is me attempting to work out my karma, and return to all the single brief guys I unjustly dismissed. Here are my top pointers to assist you welcome your height, instead of clinging on to the belief that it's holding you back. Don't get protective about your height, so you're kinda on the brief side. If someone makes a remark about your height, you don't need to like it, but you also do not need to let it work you up. You do you. Don't stress over what any person else has actually got to state about you. Tighten up your wardrobe, don't be strolling around in trousers that are far too long, fits that are drowning you, or shirts that are bunching around your wrists. What you seek is a structured look, which will help elongate your body. That indicates color stopping is out for you. Choose for a shirt or top that matches your pants, and ditch the belt. For instance, pick a dark shirt rather of a white t-shirt with dark denims. Vertical stripes are your friend. There's a lot more to you than that. When you concentrate on what's amazing and distinct about you, you'll make yourself feel more confident, which will help you look more positive to the opposite sex, and you'll wind up attracting somebody who is interested in you for you. That's what everybody wants, right? Many ladies are just searching for a male who's confident anyway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.